What is up, guys? Right behind me is a Tesla Cybertruck, and this is way cooler than you think. Let's talk about the skin. This is 30 times cold rolled steel. It's strong enough to protect against scratches, dents, and rogue people with guitars. Looks good to me. And this is also bullet resistant, and it does all that while being the same thickness as a quarter. And underneath the front, you get storage space. In the back, you get a 6-foot bed. I can tow 11,000 pounds. I get two 140 volts, one 240 volt. I have ambient lighting right there. And if I lift up the floor, I get extra storage space and a drain, so I can do this. Cheers. Inside, you get this amazing looking view. I have a hidden gear selector located right up there. I get heated and ventilated seats, welded door sills. I have a hidden glove box located right there. I get ambient lighting here at the top. This giant touchscreen that works super fast. I get tons of storage space under here, two wireless charging pads, and a heated steering wheel. And if you think this car isn't romantic, you're wrong. And it's steer-by-wire, so no matter how much I move the steering wheel, the wheels don't move until I hit the brake. In the back, I get an even crazier view. I have cup holders, heated seats, and I can watch Derek Wolf on YouTube, who provided me this Cybertruck. And this makes up to 845 horsepower and can do 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds, so it's pretty quick.